Oh, sniff! Chemical guys coming at ya. Fix them stanky rides. We about to drop something fresh on y'all. Smell it! Hey, you've been driving that dirty dank ride. Time to freshen up all the smelly air inside. Chemical guys, we know you're hustling for that green, so we made the freshest scent that you ever seen. We got Washington, Lincoln, Jackson, and Benjamin. Their nostrils are offended by the state that your car is in. Dirty food debris in the backseat, sweaty feet, rotten meat, incomplete detail and job. What kind of animal was back there smoking? Can't take your friends anywhere cause they all joking. Think I'm joking? I smell you wishing and you're hoping. It's time to make that pretty paper go floating. Your ride is super fly, baby, but it smells like something died, baby. Grab some of that cold hard cash. It needs aromatherapy, fresh currency. Make it money, honey, go and spray that cold hard cash. Make it rain, cold hard cash. Chemical guys style. That's right. Find your passion, make it shine. Stay fresh, CG fam.